Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can use the clone stem tool on Photoshop to do this effect. So that's just one effect. You could use clone stem tool to do several effects. So let's say, for example, you took a photo. You're a photographer and you took several photos in a photo shoot. And you come home, you open the photos on your laptop and you find out that your pictures have several things that you didn't want on the photo. Or maybe you took a photo yourself and you feel like you had too many spots on your face or too many marks and you want to remove them. Or you have a lot of dust on your shirt and you want to remove those small details and you want to focus on those minor details. You don't have to go back and take your photo again. You can always make changes on Photoshop. So that's what I'm going to be showing you right now. So open up Photoshop and I'm going to guide you how to do it. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and open your photo. I'm just going to open any photo. I'll put this photo in the description so you can download the same one and use the same one I'm using, but you can always use your own. So this is a beach, I guess. So let's say, for example, these green marks are garbage. I don't want that on my shot. I just want the center to be my leaf, and I want the whole focus to go there and not these small marks here. So I'll zoom into that. And what I'll do is select the clone stem tool. That's this, the tool that looks like a stamp. Click it, come here. And what we're going to do is select a sample closer to wherever you want to remove from. So this will be your sample area. Click Alt and left click. Alt and left click. That way you'll collect the sample from here to put here. So it's like you're collecting sand to cover up your garbage. Yeah. And all you have to do is just paint. So if you can see the plus sign here, it shows you that you're collecting sample from there. It's gone. So you collect sand from somewhere else and you put it there. So let me show you another example. Let's open up another picture. So let's say you have this picture and you want only 3 birds in the picture. I don't know. You want 3 birds in the picture, not 4. Yeah. So you can go closer. Pick a sample from the sky. Alt, click. Alright, Alt, click. Collect it, and then all you got to do is paint. So you see how I make a mistake here? It's because the area where I was collecting the sample from was very close to the wing of the bird. So that's why I was collecting the bird's wing as a sample. So make sure you don't do that mistake. Yeah. Take it a bit further and then click from there. And then paint. Again. And boom, it's gone. Yeah. So it's really that simple. It works for every small detail. So let's say I want to go closer here down and I feel this grass. I don't want this grass. And I just click Alt, click and cover it. Yeah, you could use a smaller brush for that, but I was just doing it in a rough way. So yeah, you get the point. So if there's any minor details that you want to remove in any photo of yours, this is a really beautiful technique to use. So yeah, if you really like this tool and you want to learn about more tools on Photoshop, please subscribe below so that you're notified when my next video is out. And if you really like this video, please leave me a like. If you didn't like it, please comment why you didn't like it so that I can get some sort of feedback to improve my video, and leave me a dislike. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay home, and be creative. Bye.